officers who responded to the violent breach.
Fox's Jared Halpern on Capitol Hill.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Beaver County in southern Utah, northeastern Iron County in southern Utah, until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 14 miles south of Milford, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Millersville. This includes Utah Route 21 between mile markers 79 and 92. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah: Beaver and Iron,